second question is related to thin film, second case for interference. So we look at the question, an oil film, okay, we have an oil film floats on water. The refractive indices of the oil and the water are 1.3 and 1.33. The condition here, we have the middle layer is our oil, so N is equal to 1.3, and below or underneath we have water, N equal to 1.33, and up here we have N equal to 1. So this is for air. So every time we got a question related to thin film, we need to identify is either our case is in phase or anti-phase. Okay, and only after that you can determine or you can decide which equation to be used. Okay, depending on your type of interference, is destructive or constructive. So now for this case, we have the first reflected ray is going from less dense to denser. So this one has phase change. Okay, we just tick here, meaning it has phase change. The second ray is, it goes from endpoint 1.3 to 1.33. So again, it is less dense, from less dense to denser for the second part. So again, we have phase change. So this is ray number 1, ray number 2. Okay, so remember the first step is to determine reflected ray number 1 has phase change or not. Step number 2, reflected ray number 2 has phase change or not. Okay, step number 3 is you decide both ray 1 and ray 2. Okay, ray 1 and ray 2 are in phase or anti-phase. Okay, so we have in phase here for this case. Then for this case, it is destructive. Okay, it is mentioned in the question, destructive. So we are applying the equation of, we want to find the maximum wavelength, destructive interference. So the equation that we're supposed to use is 2NT equal to M plus half lambda. So to get maximum wavelength, meaning that your number of order is minimum. So in this case, it's supposed to be 0, M equal to 0. Now we do the substitution. 2N, okay, refractive index to be substituted here is for your thin film. So in this case, okay, we choose oil as our thin film. In this case, T is 100 nanometer. M is 0 plus half lambda. Okay. Then as usual, you do your calculation using your calculator. Then you will get your lambda is 5.2 times 10 to minus 7 meter. Or this is equal to 520 nanometer.